my name is Mark Evans. This is week 3 of MDF3, and this week we got into using the action bar and creating our own widget. As you can see, this is the front of my device, and in the blue there is my custom widget. If I click over to the right where the time is, it will manually update the widget itself, and as you can see, the time changed. Now, if I let this thing sit here, every half hour it'll update the time, which is pretty neat. I manually clicked it again, and it says update widget, and a few seconds changed. Now, if you click the left side of my widget where you have the little fire icon and the markevansjr.com, it will actually launch an intent and go directly to my website. And this right here is my actual website. You can actually scroll through here and see my site itself if you want. I'm going to hit the back button and we're back to the home page. Now, that was my widget. Pretty straightforward, not too advanced. If you click my recipe app up here, this is where I added the action bar stuff. And as you can see, this is my app. I took away the edit text field and search button and added it to the top here, my action bar. If you click the search icon, a search field will come across. Let's say we want to search pizza. You hit search, it'll populate data from the API using a service. You can still click it. Let's click cheese pizza. You can see a pretty crappy picture. As you can still see, it still utilizes. Well, the search functionality works. So if I click X, I can clear it. I can search for something else. I can hit back, come back into the app. Now you can see the little 3-button overflow menu here. If I click that button, you're going to get the overflow contextual stuff here. So if you hit the about link, you'll get created by Mark Evans. As you can see on my about page, I still have my action bar utilized, so I can actually come up here and hit home, and that'll take me back to the first menu. So I'm using my action bar to navigate through my app, and the search functionality works as well. So now I'll go ahead and answer some of the questions here. What did you do for your third project? As you can tell, I added the action bar implementation on my recipe app, and I also created a widget that shows the time and launches an intent from a button on the left that launches to my website. If I could have done anything differently, I probably would have wanted to give a little bit more thought to the widget and do something a little different, but I was kind of blanking out on what to do and running short on time. It's a lot of stuff to learn and a lot of stuff that I wanted to do, but it just ran out of time, and I definitely would like to go a little further on the stuff with the widgets. A few things I can use clarification on would be the widget itself, seeing different ways to do it. The videos were pretty good, made by Donna, but I know there's probably 10 different ways to make widgets, and I know that it's pretty sensitive in the manifest, implementing the provider stuff and making sure everything's right, and stuff like that. Have you started thinking about your project for APD2? Not yet, and I know I need to. But I'm thinking of making some kind of simple app, but I want to make it to where it's really awesome and cool, like that something I could probably release to the Android store, similar to what I did in the iOS block, where my recipe app I released to the Apple store. So I kind of want to be on the same page. I just need to get a well thought out plan, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully everyone else did okay. Everyone being Peter. And that's it. Okay, take care. Goodbye.